GenSpark AI Developer 2.0 is insane. What if you could build a real mobile app in minutes? No coding, no developers, just you and one prompt. Today I'm showing you how this thing works and why it's blowing my mind. This is brand new stuff and it's about to change everything. So here's the deal. You know how building an app usually takes weeks or months? You need designers, you need developers, you need a whole team. And it costs thousands of dollars. Well, that's all done now. GenSpark just dropped version 2.0 of their AI developer. And it's crazy. You type one prompt, one sentence, and it builds you a native mobile app, not some fake web wrapper, not some cheap looking thing, a real native app for iOS and Android. The kind you see in the App Store and Google Play, the kind that actually works like a real app. But wait, it gets better. These apps come with a full backend. We're talking Firebase integration, user login, database storage, push notifications, all the stuff that makes an app actually useful for a business. This isn't just some toy. This is business grade stuff. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency, Goldie Agency. Now, let me break down what makes this so insane. First, the one prompt thing, you literally just tell it what you want. Like you're talking to a person, you describe your app idea in plain English. Whatever you want, you just say it and it understands you. And here's what blows my mind. It takes that description and builds the whole thing. The screens, the buttons, the colors, the flow, everything. Most people spend weeks just designing what an app should look like. This does it in minutes. Second thing, native apps. This matters way more than you think. See, most AI app builders give you web wrappers. That's basically a website that looks like an app. It's slow, it's clunky, it doesn't work right, users hate it. But GenSpark builds real native apps. That means they run smooth, they load fast, they feel like real apps because they are real apps. Third thing, the Firebase backend. This is huge for business owners. Firebase is what big companies use. It handles user accounts, it stores data, it sends push notifications, it tracks analytics, all that backend stuff that normally requires a developer. GenSpark hooks it all up for you automatically. You don't touch a single line of code. Fourth thing, you can actually publish these apps. Like for real, you download the Android APK file, you can submit it to Google Play, you can get it on the App Store. This isn't practice, this isn't a demo. You can launch a real product to real customers. If you want to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to learn how to actually use AI to grow. We're talking real strategies, real automation, real results, not theory. I'll drop the link for you. Now, let me tell you why this matters for your business. Think about how many times you had an app idea, maybe a loyalty program for your customers, maybe an internal tool for your team, maybe a simple game or social app. You probably didn't build it because it was too expensive or too complicated. Now you can. Small coffee shop, you could build a loyalty app, local gym, a workout tracking app with your branding, event organizer, an app with schedules and notifications, sales team, an internal tool for tracking leads. The possibilities are endless. And here's the best part. You're not locked into some monthly subscription where they hold your app hostage. You download the actual build files, you own it, you control it, you can do whatever you want with it. Now, I want to show you what kind of apps you can actually build with this thing. Let's start with the obvious one, business apps. Think loyalty programs, customer rewards, appointment booking, menu ordering. These are apps that small businesses pay thousands of dollars for, or they use some generic white label app that looks terrible. Now you can build your own custom one. Next up, simple games, not complicated 3D stuff, but casual games, tap games, puzzle games, quiz games, the kind of games people play on the subway. You can build these and actually publish them. Some of these games make real money from ads or in-app purchases. Internal business tools. This is huge. Most companies need custom apps for their team. Field agents checking in, delivery drivers logging stops, sales reps tracking visits, inventory management. These apps cost a fortune to build custom. Now you can make them yourself. Event apps, you running a conference, a wedding, a festival, build an app with the schedule, send push notifications when sessions start, let people bookmark their favorites, add maps and speaker info. This stuff used to require hiring a dev team. Now let's talk about what you need to watch out for, because nothing is perfect. First thing, the AI gets you most of the way there, but you'll probably need to tweak things, fix some colors, adjust some layouts, test on real devices. It's not going to be perfect first try. Think of it like getting a really good first draft. Second thing, app stores have rules, especially Apple. They review every app, they check for bugs, they make sure you follow guidelines. You need developer accounts, you need certificates. The AI builds the app, but you still have to handle the store stuff yourself. Third thing, If your app needs super custom features, you might hit limits, like if you need to connect to some weird old database, or you need special hardware access, or you're building something with crazy scale. The AI might not handle that out of the box. Fourth thing, check if you can export the full source code. Some platforms lock you in. You want to make sure you actually own what you build. You want to be able to edit it later or hire a developer to add features. But here's what I think, even with those limits, this is still insane, because most apps don't need crazy custom stuff. Most apps are pretty simple. Login screens, some data screens, maybe a list, maybe some forms, that's it. And this handles all that. The workflow is super simple too. You go to the GenSpark site, you open up AI Developer 2.0, you describe what you want, you watch it generate everything, you preview what it made, you download the builds, you submit to the stores, that's it. No complicated setup, no learning to code, just tell it what you want. Now, I want to be clear about something. This doesn't replace developers for everything. If you're building the next Instagram or Uber, you still need a real dev team. But for most small businesses and startups, this is enough. This gets you an MVP. This gets you something you can show customers. This gets you in the market fast. And speed matters a lot. How many businesses fail because they spend 6 months building an app and run out of money? How many great ideas never launch because the founder can't afford developers? This solves that. You can test your idea in a weekend. If it works, great. If it doesn't, you didn't waste months and thousands of dollars. The traditional way of building apps is broken for small players. You have to learn to code or hire someone or use no-code tools that make ugly apps or pay an agency 50 grand. It keeps normal people out of the app game. This levels the playing field. Here's what you should do right now. Go to GenSpark.ai, sign up for the AI developer. Start with something simple, a basic app idea you've had. Describe what you want, see what it makes, test it out. Then think about how you could use this for your business. Think about the apps that would actually help you make money, not just cool ideas, real business tools, things your customers would pay for, things that save your team time, things that give you an edge over competitors who don't have apps. The barrier to entry for mobile apps just dropped to basically zero. That's huge. That opens up opportunities for millions of people who couldn't build apps before. Solo entrepreneurs, small business owners, content creators, anyone with an idea. If you want to learn more about making money with AI, I've got something special for you. Welcome to the free AI Money Lab with Julian Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You get 1,000 plus free N8N workflows. You get 200 plus ChatGPT prompts, a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. You also get a free AI community, free AI course, and proven AI case studies. This is all completely free. Link is right below this video. Look, GenSpark AI Developer 2.0 is genuinely insane. One prompt, native apps, real backend, actual publishing. This is the kind of tool that changes who can build software. You don't need to be technical anymore. You don't need a big budget. You just need an idea and a few minutes. That's it for today. Make sure you subscribe for more AI updates like this. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.